Definitely the most convenient spot for me. I love it here. Wide open, no trees in the way, dock to get out there. Get some really good footage here, but it's on the big water, on the lake. So if there's any type of breeze, it's always a little choppy and windy here, but it doesn't look too bad today. Like I say the most convenient, like just a couple hundred yards that way to the house. So anyway, just brought the blackjack out and the little mini dime, just two of my favorite grab and goes. See if we can get some any cool footage and do something with it. It's a nice day. It's not too hot yet, overcast. Nice little breeze. All right, GPS is on. Track. Start. She's reading. Make sure everything's working. Good to go. The wind keeps picking up. I'm getting some strong gusts every now and then, but hey, we're not out here trying to set any numbers today, just out here to play. Sometimes it gets a little frustrating doing work, trying to get numbers. Sometimes it's nice just to come out and relax and just run your boats. Yeah, that wind keeps picking up. Now, had a power cut. This thing's just getting hot quick. Uh-oh. Did my flex shaft? Yeah, I think it's slipping. Shit. Let's see if I can limp it in. We'll be back. Got the hatch cover off and the battery unplugged. We're just a few seconds from pulling out of the water. 124, 125, 106, 117, 97 on the battery, 96 on the plugs. I don't. Do a little more digging. I'll come back when I find it. Yeah, I think my collet was definitely spinning on my flex a little bit. It had grease on it. I think when I greased it and pushed it back through the tube, it had some grease on it. So I'll clean it up real good, retighten it, and go from there. So I think that was our culprit. You can see that it shined it up a little bit, but it doesn't look too hurt. I think that's mostly the solder on it. But anyway, put it together. Let's see what we got after goofing off. Yeah, 49, so hey, that's cool. Ooh, that wind picked up. Oh well, we're still gonna have fun. All right. No, something is not right for sure. What is going on? Well, this sucks. Definitely flex cable or collet issue. Try it one more time. Let's see if this doesn't work. Which it seems like it got tight. I guess we'll take it home and pull it all apart and figure out what I can do to correct it. Wow. Son of a bitch. Technical issues to ruin a day.